The check engine warning light is one of the most common warning lights you'll see on your dashboard. In some cars, the check engine warning light may be red instead of yellow or orange or replaced by the words check engine. The check engine warning light is the most feared warning light for drivers and may come on in two ways. If the light is steady, you must immediately make an appointment with a trusted mechanic. They can use an appropriate self-diagnosis tester to identify the problem that caused the light to come on. If the light comes on intermittently, there could be a problem with the catalytic converter. This type of warning requires more attention. The warning light can indicate various malfunctions related to the injection system, exhaust system, fuel supply, or accelerator pedal sensor. Although it is possible to drive with the engine warning light on, avoiding driving for a prolonged period or subjecting the car to excessive strain is advisable. If you must drive, it is better to choose a route that is free of inclines or hills. Ultimately, addressing the problem as soon as possible is best to avoid further damage and more expensive repairs. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.